Hi, this is Ufoma Gaga, and in this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can create a statement of activities, or also known as profit and loss report, with your rows displayed as classes in QuickBooks Desktop. So let's jump right in. So this is my QuickBooks sample company file for a nonprofit organization. The first thing you're going to notice is if you do try to run the profit and loss standard report, you will notice there's no option to display the rows as classes. You can only change your columns displayed by different year or amounts and things of that nature, and then you can only sort. So one of the things that you can do, depending on the version of QuickBooks Desktop that you have, this should be available in all of the versions. You can come to where it says custom reports and click on summary. You could do transaction detail if you want to, but I recommend doing summary level. So when you click on summary level, it's going to pop up this screen for you. So here you need to pick whatever date range. Let me just do all dates. Pick whatever reporting basis that you need, and you will notice that here you have display columns by total only, display rows by income statement. So here you can actually change this to show the rows by class, and maybe change the column to show it's by income statement if you want to, or I don't think you can. Oh, it looks like you can also pick class. Let's see how that report looks like. So I'm gonna run this report, and if you keep the columns as class, display as class, and the rows display as class, QuickBooks is going to give you this warning, which means you need to change one of the options. So I'm gonna change my columns to display as maybe let's do the income statement. It's gonna be excessively very long. I will do probably, let's do total only. And so if I do total only, you will see that all the transactions that are in the sample company file, you will see that they're now displayed as the different classes. So you can get class research, teacher ed, and all of this other lovely classes that QuickBooks sample company file creates. So you can, this is one view that you can do. Now, with what I'm seeing here, I can click on customize report again, and my stuff keeps going to the other screen. Let's say we want to display this as income statement, or what does this one say? It just says summary. I don't know if that's summary balance. Okay, so you could display your columns as the balance sheets if you want to. You could change this to say income statement, and you see all of your income transaction and expenses, or revenue and expenses. You will see all of that in here. But you can have some fun with this and change how you want the information to be displayed. So this recap again, you cannot run the regular standard company and financial regular reports from this tab. You need to scroll all the way down to where it says custom reports and select summary. And when you do select summary, it's going to give you this window. Here you have the option to display your row as class or total or whatever you want to display it as. And you have the option to also change the columns to display as something else. This is the way that you can get a statement of activities report out of the system with the rows showing as classes, and maybe your columns showing as your individual income accounts, or do it as total only to make sure that your report is simple and you don't have to export to Excel to fix all of that. Hope this video was helpful. Feel free to comment if you have any further questions. Thanks for watching.